Question number 2. Read the sentence. The working adult learner felt completely invigorated after taking a quick 20-minute power nap before opening her TIG-ALS review modules. What is the closest meaning of the word invigorated based on context clues? Option A, tired and exhausted. Option B, confused and lost. Option C, filled with energy and life. Option D, angry and disappointed. Clue naman para sa bokabularyo natin sa number 2. Ang student daw ay kumuha ng power nap o maikling tulog. Ano ang mararamdaman mo pagkatapos mong matulog bago mag-aral? Manghihina ka ba o magkakaroong muli ng lakas? Piliin ang tamang letra habang tumatakbo ang ating timer.